How to log into Walmart employees account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to open up your preferred browser in your PC. Here I have to open Google Chrome. After that, in the search bar you have to click and search for Walmart employee login. After entering it, you'll be able to see the search results over here. So you have to simply go for company-walmart.com. After doing that, you'll be taken to official website of Walmart. So here in the right hand side in the upper section, you'll be able to see the login option over here. So you have to simply click on login. And after that, you'll be opened up in this section where you have to enter your user ID and you have to enter your country or region. After that, you have to enter your location over here, and by entering all those information you have to simply go for sign in option, and by doing that you'll be logged in into your account. And by following this simple step you can log in Walmart employees account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.